Turning on the mic. And we still haven't set that starting soon.
Fix that now.
I don't know how.
Starting soon text.
I know, here it is, but center, it should be centered. It is.
Make it left. And then
Nice. Alright. So we seem to be having a little bit of internet problem. I have few notifications here, so I'm not sure if you guys see anything, have any like lags. Alright, turning on the legs. Do you guys have any legs? Okay, so right now we almost finished the system that is calculating. Here is how it works. Like, this is unit level 1, meaning he has like 20 points that are going to be aligned here, but arranged, yeah. But they need to be arranged in a way that makes sense for every specific unit. So if like it's a level 3 unit, we have much more points to arrange. But also we are working on two separate ways. Like, there is one way that it will be 100% fixed, like it will always be like 20% of the points are going to the strength. And there is also a random version, but it's not completely random, so we are still tweaking that, but we are close to be finished. Mountain Dude, hello! Yotza says music was weird. That was the sign, maybe. Well...
Oh, we have Medvedek.
Music was double, yeah, because I didn't turn off the stream when it started.
You haven't finished that explaining.
I did.
I did. Oh.
Well, basically it's not done completely yet, but it's it's close. We just need to make that a random version work and to align, to assign all the other stats. But the main system is there, so that is pretty much figured out. There we go.
Yeah, and after that, today we plan to make us able to test the units from the editor, like not from Twitch or interface, but directly in the editor.
Yeah.
And so that we can test them and balance them and everything.
We had that debug window where we would just click and somebody would be created, but now they're getting created in a whole other way through some strings, so that needs to be reconnected. And also we need to have a few buttons, like level 1, 2, 3 and demon version of each unit. But so you guys can join now. If you want to join too, you can no, huh? Why is music weird now? I guess it's too loud. Is it better now?
Bjorga, hey man.
How are you doing? Alright, I'm going to start. By the way, for today, there is no big twist. We did something like it's stupid. It's completely stupid, but but we did it.
Okay.
We did it so that we have at least something. We were figuring out. We wanted first to slow down everybody's movement speed so that everybody is pretty much standing. So you have to use only like archers and mages and stone. But it was weird, and so overall. You'll see, but it's you won't be amazed.
Well, we were thinking that we maybe end this Tuesday twist thing maybe, because we really don't have ideas what to do anymore. Like it's not interesting, and even today's twist is extremely stupid, and what we had to do something, but it was.
I mean, things can be done that take a lot of time, and we don't really want to do that. But small things that we can tweak, we don't have. We kind of are running out of options at this point. Maybe we would have more options later on where we have more units.
Yeah.
But no.
Hell defense buff? No.
Nope. You'll see. Biarga will see. And the Uber also mentioned yesterday, like we had super short stream yesterday because nobody was here and we were like run out of things to talk about, because like when we stream every day we have like I don't know, 2 minutes of something to talk about usually, so it's not like we can stream for too long unless we play the game. And yesterday we didn't have anybody almost, and then we ended the stream pretty soon. And Uber suggested like, why don't we just stream less frequently so that we actually have more things to update and so on. So we figured we will consider that. We didn't make any decisions yet. It's still something to be talked about, but I respect your work, but this game sucks now. One would play it if you need to evolve it. What?
Now one would play it. You need to evolve it.
We still need to develop it. Yeah, we do.
Oh,
it's actually the version that we are playing is a bit old. Actually, we have the updated one, but we still are putting together some last things, and then we'll have like we'll have way more units and so on. And this Twitch mode is not even the main game. It's like a fun little mode on the side that we use to show the game, and you guys will be able to play it with your friends this way. But the main game is going to be a single player game where you would go through this world, do the quest, rise through the ranks and so on. I'm going to start.
Yep.
You need to add some competition in it. You don't do anything in the game. Competition?
There we have the twist here.
The twist? How I like this?
That's actually night. Wait. Stop it. Yeah, you can zoom.
There it is.
There he is.
It's a chicken. It's a neighborhood chicken. But there's a knight. There he is. So this is how this twist is going.
This is like that's it. We don't know what to do anymore. Like
yeah. So Yusuf, like he said, some competition. Well, yeah, there will be much more layers to it. Like when you're playing single player, you'll have your glyphs, and you will also always know who your enemies are. So you will be able to choose from few battles, and then you're looking like what my team is and what my enemies are, and how should I position them, and how should I combine them with my glyphs, and should I go do the quest or should I do the ranked match and so on. But for this multiplayer game,
look at him, he's defending himself.
Yeah.
Look at that, that's like... Oh, you could remove the chicken and leave him like small like that.
Yeah, that's even worse, I think. So this is where the chicken went when Darko went behind the green screen.
Yeah.
If he's small, nobody will even see him, because like they don't see as sharp as we do. They see it with much lesser.
Yeah.
I don't see him right now. Why does he take so long time to die?
Well, because he's the chicken.
Because he's the chicken and chicken won.
Yeah.
Long live the chicken. Alright, let's go with more units. Kill chicken.
Oh, here we have people are leaving. Yeah, what to do?
What do you mean? It's 7 people. It was 6 when I looked. It was more?
No, it was 10, 11.
Really?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh. I still get some notifications about the internet connection. I hope it's alright, but by the way, we have some progress here with the troll. So here is troll. It's the promotional art that the artist is doing, so he still needs to like color him. You see how the archer, she's like has that strong colors while the troll doesn't yet, but he's getting there.
What's wrong with his arm?
Huh? What arm? This one?
Yeah, what is
Yeah, he has weird stuff pointing out.
Oh,
I think he has some too here, but
okay.
yeah, he mean this, but
Yeah, it's like too big. Maybe. Oh, I don't know.
yeah, I think it's fine. Yusuf, so you have 5 points right now, but you can add more. We have 14 in total. And if you want to add higher level unit, write like this hashtag, and then for instance K for knight, and then number like 5, and it will add knight level 5. Was it quit?
Yes.
I can just kick myself. Ah, there you go. Good job. Alright, starting. Lots of chickens. Wait, did we miss Medvedev? No, we didn't.
Look at them.
Who will win? Chickens or bunch of wolves? And the wolves are winning.
Please add animated chick.
That's the next thing
Could
we're gonna
take the
get
time
artists
and,
to do.
yeah,
No, I'm contacting him right now. Listen, animate it.
we're stopping everything.
They've actually just googled the chicken. It might be even copyright chicken, who knows? It's like a famous copyright chicken. She's a celebrity. Alright, let's go with 18 units. And while you guys are adding units, I don't know if all of you seen this, but here is the promotional art that artist is doing right now. So he's finishing 2 more characters, yeah. The archer, she's already done, and the troll here, and then the background and everything, and we have a nice little art there.
Joanna is going full chicken army.
Chicken. She turned full chicken. You see, it's a good twist. Everybody's playing chicken.
Oh, we have 9,000, almost 10k views on Twitch.
Yeah. Is that good? I don't know.
New meta, Joanna.
start.
This is the third one?
I think fourth one.
Fourth one, okay.
Yeah. Start petition to put chicken roll on Discord.
Everybody would be.
Everybody would be chicken team.
Yeah.
So let me see here. So what we plan to do next is like we talked about this arranging of stats and so on. It seems like we thought it would be simpler, but then we run into so much problems because we had we say, all right, 15% of points go to the strength, and we have only 10 points per one level, per one power, and then we had problems because the code would not randomly, but he would round the numbers in a way we didn't want them rounded, and then there would be more or less points, or they wouldn't be.
Yeah, because 15 points out of 15% out of 10 is 1.5.
Yeah, and we don't have 1.5.
And we have 1 or 2.
Yeah.
We don't have 1.5 point. We're going with the whole numbers there. So basically, sometimes it happens that this C# thing round the number to 1 and sometimes to 2, and we had a problem there. But we fixed that.
Basically, the solution was to increase the number of points, and then we can go to 15, because now that we have 20 points, we can go 5, 10, 15, 20%, they all work with whole numbers, and that is fine.
You should have made that animation for chicken become a roasted chicken.
Yeah, that would be nice. They're fighting backwards on purpose, or that was an accident. We basically just dragged the sprite of the chicken, so there's nothing there. So everything is by accident. Not accident, it's just a picture of chicken, that's all. The real character is here. Oh. There is. Oh. There is.
Medvedek and bot.
Uh-huh.
At least they have an S. Yeah, very funny.
You should me. It's wrong. Look at the orc. What is he doing? He's putting his fist into it's really wrong. What are we doing with our lives?
Yeah.
And bot won. Yeah, Medvedek was I know. We are from Serbia. Where are you from? I'm gonna put some wargs against the chickens. Turkey, nice.
Okay, I'm clipping this.
So we're gonna play one more because we are aiming to play 5 games per day now that we're still streaming every day, and so you guys can still join. We have 18 points. And now what was I about to say? What is the plan after this? So after this, we need to figure out, mostly you, but I'm going to see if I can help, the debug window thing, how we can create units from there, and then we are polishing AI at last. We are figuring out how we need to add a level into consideration when mage is aiming. And can you guys remind us what else is wrong? Like archer sometimes gets messy, but that is going to be weird.
We're gonna start from every unit and then fix.
Yeah, but what were the obvious problems with units? I remember the mage was one of the most obvious.
They do not consider levels.
They don't
enemies.
consider levels, and they don't consider danger.
Yeah.
Let me write it down. Units don't. Like, if somebody is going to kill the mage, she's still shooting the priest, even though she should protect herself. Is this Decky? There is almost no chance he'll ever see this, so...
Oh, yes.
Why? Because... This is Decky. Alright. I think I can start. Let me see.
Wait for Overlord. Maybe he wants to join.
Okay, I'm going to wait like 20-30 more seconds if anybody else wants to join. But good naming. Yeah, oh my god, I forgot. I just now remembered it.
Yeah.
We were hanging out with friends and we were making fun of him for something completely random that he was using just as a metaphor, and it was including chicken, and he got angry and left.
Yeah, he got angry and left.
And now he also keeps pushing this, but okay, he won't see this. It's fine. Alright, so let's start. Good one, it's a good one.
It took me also some time to remember.
Yeah, I was like, why chicken? And I'm like, yeah. Sorry, Uber.
I told you, man.
What should I do? Wait
for Uber.
Happens. Cough, ignore that attempt.
You know what we can do?
No.
I have an idea right now. We can have on the top left corner of the screen, we can have the like and dislike. And everyone who is watching can rate us for our own stream. For example, right now you screwed up the Uber, so he will give you dislike. And we can have some kind of voting here. So... what do you think, guys, about that?
Yeah, that's but so if
how
somebody
would,
dislikes, they could change it to like.
Yeah, they could change it. Yeah,
they can't
like,
do both, but they can do one. So they can switch, and then they will go left and right, depending on how it goes. Yeah.
Depending on how it goes.
Yeah. Like now I would get a lot of dislikes because I won.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would be... But do you think you can do that really quickly?
Yes, why not?
So it can be done even in this version, so then it could be just copied into the new one.
I won't do that because the next week... Hey, yes, one more thing. The next week I'm gonna make the Twitch mode with a new project if everything goes well. We
did set some really difficult milestones to like we need today and tomorrow to do all the AI improvements, and then if nothing gets complicated, that's fine, but if some complication arises, that might take longer. Also, the new units, adding of the new units is set for like a day and a half, which is pretty much impossible.
Yeah, because
but
all
we don't have to have all the units. Yeah, that is fine. You can start doing the Twitch mode without all the units.
Yes.
So yeah, next week the Twitch mode is getting built, so that's going to be nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so this was it for today. We hope you enjoyed that chicken. And
and we have dislike.
Yeah, we have one dislike. That's okay.
Then yeah,
this was.
that's it, guys. So see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.